Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. When you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures at your earbuds. At the back side of each earbud, right here and right here at the top, we have touch areas. You can play or pause the song, you can play next track, you can switch between ambient sound control, you can increase or lower the volume, you can modify these gestures in the application to play previous track, to call voice assistant. Just open the application, then you need to go to the gesture control, and right here we can set to, as I said, call voice assistant or to play previous track. Right here I already set it. It's up to you, you can do the best one for you. Then, as I said, we can switch between ambient sound control, meaning that we have ANC, what is an active noise cancellation, transparency mode. Let me wear them. ANC have 4 modes. We have dynamic, it will change ANC level between it, that depends of your background. We have cozy, general and ultra mode, so you can select the best one for you. We can also have transparency mode and we can enable voice mode, but I don't hear the difference with this mod, so I don't know why it exists, but still you can use it. Just for me, it reduces a bit surround sound. Maybe this is a problem with my headphones, or maybe this mod work like this. Then we have spatial audio, and also we have 2 modes, head tracked or fixed. You can select the best one for you. We have effects. I prefer movie theater, but I recommend it to test all of them and find the best one for you. To improve your listening experience, you can of course enable spatial audio, but you can also change Equalizer preset. But here we have 6 what HUAWEI offer for us, but we can create custom presets and make something really good. Then we have dual connection, meaning that you can connect 2 devices to your headphones simultaneously. And you will have them connected to your headphones, you don't need to disconnect nothing. By the way, this channel will have video how to connect the second device, so you can check it if you want to. Then, these headphones also have a feature only for Android devices. So these headphones have LDAC, meaning that it's high resolution audio codec, but to use it, your phone should support this codec also. So you need to check if your phone supports it, and you cannot use LDAC at your iPhone because Apple devices doesn't support high resolution audio codecs like LDAC, IPTX, LC3 or LHGC. So to enable it, you need to select prioritize sound quality. You will have the line with sound quality and you just click on it. At this channel also we have the video how to enable or disable DAC, so you can check it if you want to. If you lose your headphones, you can find them using application. You just click at the find. But your headphones should be or outside the charging case, or your charging case should be opened. Because if you put them to the charging case and close the case, you cannot find them, you cannot play sound for them, because they will disconnect it from the application. So you should know it. Also we have head control, so you can use gesture. Right here we can answer or reject the call. By default it looks like this. You need to enable this mod and check it. I think this is interesting feature. And you can enable low latency mode. I recommend it to use it. It's a good one. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can fix it performing factory reset. To perform the factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. If you close it, just open the lid. At the right side we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until the red light flashes red. And then you need to reconnect it to your phone. If you still don't know how to perform it, also at this channel we have video about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!